Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows and I'm gonna start on my face, and I'm gonna use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. Now I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm. And I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel as well. Helps the algorithm and helps it to be shown. So, yes, please make sure that you do that. And y'all, please forgive me for the lighting change. That's just temporary. And for me looking at a little light, just got to trust the process in makeup so everything will come together. But now I'm just using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer just to cover some of the darker marks on my face and neck. Next, I'm just using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder and Cinnamon Bun to set where I had that concealer at. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in dark. Now I'm just going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Ioni Lashes. Now I'm using the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Gloss and Kiss Me. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this no foundation makeup look that I did. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel and it helps with my content being shown. So please make sure to do that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so I can do them. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. I thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.